Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Saeco exprelia Evo espresso machine. Now this machine was brought here because customer worked on the brew unit and unfortunately it was not put back together. In order to put this back together we will have to disassemble the entire thing and put it back and then flip this one to the other side, as this is just not a matter of just flipping this and that's it. I did try, that was the first thing I tried, but I figured out that we needed to service the entire brew unit properly in order to actually make sure it will warranty that it will work. Because it will take too much time, it was better to just replace the entire brew unit. We will give this to the customer. And we also noticed that this grinder was used with flavored coffee. There was a big smell of flavored coffee right here in the chamber, right here inside the machine, and other parts as well, that it was really hard to not fully remove because there's still that flavored coffee inside, but we tried to clean as best as we could in there. We replace the grinder because flavored coffee, like I explained, they do have a extra oil added to the coffee beans, and these grinders themselves are not made for oil beans. It will just start curling up, it will force the motor, it will really push these little gears that you see right here. So it was best to replace. We also replaced the brew valve. This is the older brew valve of the machine. This one takes care of all the brewing process. Every time you do any coffee, water goes through here and it opens up through this one. So gaskets, as you can kind of see, they're wearing down, and inside as well the internal parts of this valve wearing down as well. We descaled this machine and we also clean all around it. Like I said, they clean the hopper, they clean around the grinder as well, and also clean the spouts with a bunch of cleaning cycles to make sure that there was any coffee buildup in there. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're going to be testing out this machine. Then we're going to be using the hot water and then the steam. We also clean the spouts themselves, these ones right here, and also inside this one as well. This one was hard to move around, but now it's smooth and easy to operate. This one is the crema enhancer. In this position, it gives a little less crema, and in this position, it gives more. You can see that on real time as you move this, and as the coffee is coming out, you can see an increase of flow and decreasing one. As you can see, steady stream coming out of the machine, working really excellent. We are on the middle setting of the grinder with the new grinder, so we can, if you want more crema, you can adjust the grinder to a finer setting, and if you want less crema, you can adjust it to a more coarser setting. Now we're going to test the hot water. It's going to take a little bit for one of the thermal blocks on the back of this machine to heat up, and then for that little water pump that is on this side to push water through a series of valves all around here and then out of this one. Now that the thermal blocks are at the right temperature, the little water pump will start pulsing water through that little system and going through these valves and then going outside. As you see right here, steady stream of hot water, looking great, working perfectly. Now we're going to do the same but with steam, and with steam it requires a much higher temperature, so it's going to take a little bit of time for the machine to reach that temperature and for us to see steam coming out from this one. Now that the thermal blocks are ready, the valves are opening up and the water pump is pushing water to the system. We can see steam coming out through here. Right now it's hot inside the shop, thankfully. It's raining outside, it's a bit cold, but we can still see a bit of the steam coming out of the machine. Excellent steam, excellent pressure, really great temperature. I'm burning my hand right here even though I have gloves. So there you have it, Saeco Exprelia Evo working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit the like, hit the bell, and thanks for watching.